There's a rule that we call the original document rule. Under that rule, duplicates, no, such as photocopies, are considered as originals, no, provided that there's no genuine issue regarding its authenticity. Now, kung ang riniraise lang ho, no, ng mga discrepancies ay merong marka na certified true copy versus sa ibang copy, that is not a genuine issue of authenticity that's being raised against it, because it shows that aside from that stamp or that marking, they're the same. It's a faithful reproduction of the original. So, yan ho yung konteksto na yun. No? I think sa social media, madaming nagko-question dyan sa bagay na yan, na ngayon ba, ang passport, meron nagsabing gano'n, no? Pwede ka na ba daw lumipad? Dala mo yung photocopy. Hindi ho gano'n yun. No? Ang sinabi ni Atty. Ligutan, yan ho ay nakabase sa rules on evidence. No? Sa pagpepresenta ng mga dokumento sa korte, again, under the updated rules on evidence, hindi na kailangan na palaging original ang document ay pepresenta mo, subject to the conditions that I've mentioned.